actually met my husband and all of my current closest friends at this very class day. So bringing my kids back here where I've found so much community is just really important to me, and I'm really excited to be here.
We are here just building community and really able to connect and pray together and know what's going on in each other's lives.
It makes you feel like you're not doing the homeschool thing by yourself.
We are with like-minded people, and for them to spend time with children their age, and they get to just play.
My kids love coming on Thursdays because they want to see their friends, they want to hang out.
I like all my classes and hanging out with friends.
Because we're a co-op, everyone participates. Some of the parents are teaching a class, some parents are assisting.
There are a lot of fun classes that we get to do here that we wouldn't be able to get to do at home.
I don't have time to haul 4 kids around to go take, some jujitsu lesson elsewhere. But we get to do that here.
I like doing the PE and the games. They're super fun.
And there's lots of very nice people.
These people love Jesus. We love Jesus, and our kids are growing in that.
These are the people that kept me going on this homeschool journey.
I come to class to hang out with my friends and to learn about God more.
We do a lot of fun things. We have spirit days, we have potlucks, we have parties, and there's a lot of fellowship and love here. So come join us.